So we got a little fishy here. Looks like a togue on Sebago Lake. That's Bill Brown.
Fucking hands are numb.
Oh, you know what? I can see bottom near there.
Yeah, I know.
Here, I can see bottom.
Here he comes, Keith. Come on.
Holy moly! I can see bottom. That's a huge one, dude. I don't think we're gonna be able to get it in the boat.
Yeah, we will. Look out down.
That's gonna kill us all.
Oh, now you gotta straighten us out.
Fuck. Okay. All right. That's how big that sucker is. That's got to be 8 pounds. Holy snikes! Captain Keith. No frost in. Yeah. Holy moly!
Might have to let him go, though.
Yeah.